Right, good morning. This is the first morning in Malta and this is looking out over the balcony. What you're seeing is what I'm seeing, basically. Right, if we go for about there, that is about where Syria would be, and Jordan and them sort of places. Down over there would be where the overlanders are, about 300 mile away I think, about 250, 300 mile away. And then if you go right round there like that, that would be North Africa. 10 to 7 in the morning, Malta's quite alive. First thing that's happened that's rather unique, what you won't even know about, is about that the bin men have been around. And I find these bin men absolutely fascinating. The local taxis pay a long wait to pick up the gear that are usually North African lads, black lads basically. And basically what they do, they go around and they pick up rubbish off every corner. It's unbelievable how they might find it all. But they do it every morning, and then what they do then, they pick up the, after they pick the rubbish up, they totally do a total recycling job on it in the afternoon. It's amazing. As Malta's just doing the European, you can see the build cranes, word I'm looking for. There's about 7 inside to where we are. Over there, look, see, cranes, all above the buildings. There's a massive amount of building taking place over there with European money and what have you. Everything you see's got European written all over it. Don't know why we don't take advantage like this in ourselves, but there you go, that's me. You'll notice most of the architecture is flat roofed, and on top of most of the flat roofs there's water containers we heat up hot water, and there's also loads and loads of solar. Solar's massive here. If you look at that building, the orange building just there, you'll see one of the hot water containers which is heats the hot water up. There's a solar panel system that heats the hot water up. This is all fully taken advantage of here, completely. The other unusual thing is, in Malta there's no real dawn or dusk. The sun comes up and it's light. 1 minute it's dark, next minute it's light. It's as simple as that. But that's the first morning. We had quite a horrific journey down here yesterday. I personally got up at 3 o'clock yesterday morning. This is why I didn't film anything the first day. The first day was, we got up at 3 o'clock. Just giving you a little branch around here, look, so you can see what's going on as far as I can dare. One of the swimming pools down there, look. Yes, I got up at 3 o'clock, and then ended up going to the airport at 8. We flew at 8 o'clock, we got down here for about 12. Then we got on a cattle cart, which was called a bus, but it saves a huge amount of money because it's only €1.50 for each of us to come down to where we are now, which is St Paul's Bay, which I should have mentioned. But this is not very interesting sort of stuff. I'm just giving you some general outlay of what's been going on. So basically, we went to bed about 8 o'clock last night because we were both tainted, and we got up quite early this morning. We did get up for a cigarette about 1 o'clock, but that's basically the journey. To be honest with you, it's nice and mild. I'm stood here in my shirt sleeves. It's beautiful. You can see my missus is stood there in her pyjamas, look. Christmas pyjamas, look. You'll also know, right, okay, although it's a rather quite Christian country, right, there's hardly any, as you can see, what would be in Britain, loads of Christmas decorations, deck the walls and holly and all that business. There's hardly any, to be honest with you. There was a few on top of that building now, but they've now been turned off. But that's basically it. It's just like I say, it's just a bit of an overview to say where we are and what we're up to. Okay, so this is first morning. People are off to work. Look, there's a gentleman down there going to work right now. There you go. Have a nice day. See you in a bit. You probably won't believe me right now, but we're on the Malta bus station. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We're on the way to Marslocks. This is the first journey out for the week's holiday, or 10 days holiday. This is the bus station. Can't believe it, can you? Look at that for impressiveness. Right, these walls like that. This is the main fountain here. Let's take in a little bit and show you. Right, and then over there is the Parliament building. We'll be going to Malta a little bit later on in the week and showing you a bit more about the place, but this is just a by the by. That's the battery up there. Over there, that's what they call the battery, and that's where the gun goes up at 12 o'clock if you've ever been here. And over there, well, you can just see like that. Now I'm going to look back down here and look at this for impressiveness. I've never seen it like this since I've been in Paris. You know, size-wise, it's unbelievable for a little island. It's absolutely unbelievable. And again, We're just on the bus station outside the Leicester town gate. This bridge over there, let me just take you around slowly so I don't make you dizzy. Right, over there is a bridge just beyond there. Over that area there, and it's a bit controversial because they put it in new and people didn't like the idea much what lived there. Could have smashed a new, basically a new hole through the wall. There's also a great big massive ditch moat down there which we'll see in all another day. Alright, what you see now is this is a World Heritage Site. Look at that, unbelievable. You see things like this all over Malta, very little use. Right, get some kind of immense size of this place. Look at that. It's like about as wide as a road down there. I don't think you can understand that. This is the new city gate. I'm going to see about over the Parliament building over there again. These windows, incidentally, I'm just going to zoom in and let you see a few. Right. Apparently they were scrapping a ship here years ago. The captain at the back of the ship put over his balcony, and it's now turned into a, well, virtually every balcony is like this. It's unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. The big pan you around this bit, you get some kind of idea of the size. You ain't got no idea of the size unless you actually stood here. And over here, look, it's a very religious country. Guess what? We've got a nativity. This is full size. Unbelievable. Let me just turn you up a minute and I'll walk it. Here we go then. Look at that, that's full size figures. Absolutely full size. Like the bloke sleeping, don't you? There's baby Jesus right there, look. See him? In the crib. Very religious country. And also the Maltese influence with the Maltese national costume and the national painted boats. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Unbelievable. These figures you see them in churches all around here. We'll see some more when we go to Malta. I'm sure it was over at Easter and it was unbelievable. Between there and there is about a story and a half. I don't want to get too close to film these people because I don't think on my minds, but if you look here, look, these little places, if you ever come to Malta and want something to eat, these on the bus station are extremely cheap. You get a coffee for €1 and a pastry for €1. It's unbelievable. Like I say, the bus travelling is absolutely incredible. It's a justice to the country. It really is. This is what makes Malta for me. Mark 1 transit pickup truck, look. Just being used on every day. The vehicles you see around here are absolutely unbelievable. It's like standing in a motor museum. Here we go again, when this fella moves. Kia truck, about 25 years or 30-year-old. Right, it's a Toyota. Right, and at the side of it there's a Tatra. And there's another Tatra. These just been in everyday use. Mitsubishi. I mean, even these things here are becoming like the end of the days in our country. It's unbelievable. There's plenty more to see, I can assure you. It's like a rolling car show. These models here are in the 1980s easy, I would say. The Toyota truck over there, the one like they destroyed on Top Gear, if anybody knows it. Indestructible ones. Isuzu next door to it. Unbelievable. And these are just market trucks that people use on a day-to-day basis to make a living out of. Fantastic. Right then, this is Marslocks. These are boats. You can see there's absolutely massive fishing fleet here. So obviously fishing is a big industry, and if you look over in between there, you'll see some big towers. So let me try and zoom in a bit for you. That there is a container port. We passed that on the way in. Fantastic. And there's the other side of the market. Again, unbelievable. Church in the middle of it. I'll zoom in again so you see it. It's out here. There you go. told you about these windows again. There's windows there, look. Again, they're all over the island. Oh, unbelievable. Beautiful place. Here's your little Maltese, singly owned, if you like, fishing boat fleet. They're unbelievable, aren't they? Look, they're all brightly coloured painted. I love this bit about them. Some of our eyes on the front. None of these have actually, as it turns out, but absolutely beautiful. And there's a good little shot across the bay of where we actually are at the moment. Bearing in mind this is now December. It's unbelievable. What a beautiful weather. There's supposed to be some bad wind today, but we're a bit close to that church. I'm going to zoom in and get some better detail. Beautiful. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. What a beautiful place to visit. And this is just somewhere normal. What's that? This is Marshall's Harbour from the other side. Beautiful. Now you can see the terracing on the fields over there. Let's zoom in a bit and let you can see it. There you go. They seem to do a lot of this with their agricultural systems. But it's a pretty hilly place with hardly no trees, as you can notice. Beautiful, look at that. These boats are fantastic. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Absolutely. Really beautiful. What a place to live. Fish from the sea. Can't go wrong. Never seen such fresh fish in your life.